Hey YouTube, me and my little brother are gonna be doing an ASMR.
Yeah. Before this video started, I gotta shout out today's sponsor. Thank you so much to Core for sponsoring this video.
Just what about not sweet?
Core. I'm glad you guys.
Let me take this bubble gum so that probably tastes like it.
Play and create.
Why'd you do that?
For free. Core's powered by the
Sorry, YouTube channel, but he keeps
ready?
over 20,000 games in your favorite genres, including shooter, RPG.
It even smells like Pepto Bismol.
And it's an all-in-one platform. A radically accessible game construction kit, content exchange, and a game playing. Core is a multiverse of games to play. Experience Unreal Engine powered multiplayer in all your favorite genres. Literally,
This is what I have, guys.
So someone like me can make a game.
Yes, this one. Wait, let me close it. Wait, let me taste yours. Taste mine.
They're dumb wild for trying to make that.
Early access, so you can download and play right now via the Epic Games Store.
And some hey, we're friends now.
How's this one good? You like this one?
Yeah. And I take
Guys, now we're gonna be doing. Look at the guys. Look at the drink I have. I have Mountain Dew.
good.
He also has
Come on, man.
Mountain Dew. Don't mind that I got, for real. Don't mind that I got the blue ones and he has the red ones. It's because I couldn't find green.
I got pickles,
But this is mine.
I'm gonna make nachos, guys.
Instead of genres, let's put it to the test. Let's get it. Yo, so before we get into this gameplay, the actual games part of this video, I wanted to show y'all my creation. This is my guy right here. This is
that's mine. I know.
This is me because his lining's better, his beard's fuller, and his spade is
to the camera.
My boy Dwayne right here. He's too clean. So let's take a look at Dwayne's spade.
Okay.
I'm not saying Dwayne is more.
We tried.
I didn't say that. I just said.
Let's see if you try yours.
Let me spray it in your mouth. Look, ready?
Options.
Open your mouth.
I said you can. I'm not here. You can tweak the colors a bit.
Let's see if you try.
Too much, but as you can see, yep.
It's sour.
Shirt changes, and then you have the other option for the little emblem on his chest. I'm gonna keep that white.
Right? But yeah, so
I keep that in my pocket at school and right every time I school.
we both got a bag of Doritos.
I have a cape on, so everybody.
So what you wanna try? You wanna try your drinks?
I'm just heroic, so respect me yourself.
And yeah, you wanna try the drinks? Here, I'm gonna help you open this.
And this look like I got.
If you don't get Slim Jim every time you go to the store.
Bring your own lunch to school.
We didn't get it Slim Jim.
No, there we go.
There you go. Hold on. Wait. Show them. Taste it. Show
And now it's going to take me to.
Wait a minute. Wait.
The Core World is more like the hub of Core itself. You can meet up with friends here. You can play the most active games right there. Walk around, chill, kick it, live life. Just like that. We're in here, baby.
Look, guys, I'm gonna try this.
So I'm gonna let you see the amount of players. There's 22 of us in here. Let me get on mine now. Everybody on ours. Everybody's on.
That's good.
Wait, your mama.
What's up?
You need to drink water every time you ask me.
They have available. If you click play, you see all the lists of the active games in the games by the Monty Core and the features recently played.
Give me that.
Games, new games. Active at the very top is the game that the most people
Guys, I'm gonna take my sister some drink.
So you're gonna find the most player counts in these games
It tastes old and soft. Look how easy I broke
We're gonna try them out today. I know everybody's hyped for Hero Academia.
That is good.
Wait, let me try. Will you survive the trap? We'll see.
Oh.
Yes. Welcome to.
Let me get some more.
This is giving me a little bit of like Temple Run,
But bro, it's good, right?
Crash Bandicoot vibe.
Wait, you got all your stuff that you.
My taste buds are weird.
Put all your stuff that you tasted up here. Tasted that. Wait. You tasted that.
Come on, I got some for y'all. I got some for y'all.
Can't.
Check me out, bro. Somebody gotta go.
She has this striped sour candy.
Ooh, I missed. Really? Man, I should have waited till they always. Alright.
Ooh, my sister's right. Alright, wait. Let's open mine. I have the blue ones because I couldn't find green. But that's good.
Dude, that's why I'm like kind of.
I don't got nothing to eat. I didn't get anything good from this good.
Got one. I got one. I got one.
I'm gonna get
right here.
Let me show you the best icy ever.
Why did he already?
I see it now. I can. Come here.
Bro, he's hitting multiple trips. Oh no, because there'd be a podium here.
Everything there is taken off.
Like you probably like, leave me alone, man. This is your first time. Shut up. Go. Y'all ain't gonna beat us. Go. Only 2 of y'all left.
What, you like him?
Can I try?
Playing this super
Can I try one?
just running through the whole thing. They play
It's
too
good.
passive.
Is it sour?
My guy Rack's gonna. Rack, are you serious? No. You better make something happen right here. Y'all better make something happen.
Since he don't like it.
Got him. How come he didn't?
This is mad sour.
What's the point then? Like, what's the
That's
point?
good.
Yellow one.
What's the point? Make something happen. Oh
Yellow,
my
everything
God.
sour?
I'm not even thinking.
The yellow one's is sour.
Don't mind. Pimple.
Celebratory jump. Is that what we're doing? No? Alright.
We already tried that. Let's open up the Daddy Lo.
I'm not gonna go first. It's a whole new map. So we just run across. Cool.
Where's your sour cream?
No, they tried it. Right. I did say I was gonna play aggressively, huh? Full sprints.
No, you
all
do it
time.
now.
Full sprints.
Is mad good?
Are you kidding me? I tried to put my gameplay skills into Jackson. That play style didn't work for this. Damn, why did I let y'all press me into that?
Like that.
Come on, Jocelyn.
I eat spicy
A
Doritos.
little bit more aggression in your play style. Like I get that you winning, but damn, this is slow.
Come on, TV, my brother, watch the phone.
Just playing, y'all, cause y'all go. Oh!
But yeah.
I'm about to make a
There you go, Jocelyn.
cheese dip. Sour cream with cheese, cheddar cheese on it, and dip it in the
Where
chip.
are you going, bro?
Oh,
Are you not allowed to stop running or something? Right, butt shot at him.
who was that subject? I'm gonna take the whole.
Nah, man, I can't sit here and watch him like this, just drop the ball like that. Oh, I'm the only hunter.
That's nasty. You smell that.
No way he really finessed like that.
My eyes are hang up.
I got 5
Sizzle.
people left on here. This is
Wow,
playing
my
hella-
eyes right now.
Just keep going. I would have let you win for the sake of you being aggressive with it.
Ew!
Y'all are gonna fake me out, bro.
This is supposed to cream or something.
Ah, you really got away.
Wait, what
You
is
really
that?
got away. Alright, we got
Sour
one
cream.
who won. We got one who might have won.
Mad good.
No, that's sour cream.
It's good.
Make the world a brighter place for yourself or others by donating plasma at CSF.
What?
I think it's old.
What?
I know
Has that been out?
with that. You better be careful. You're
Y'all just put it in the fridge.
No, it's time for this.
Because I've been in it
It's
first.
time for this.
When y'all put it in there.
I only got one more.
It was in the fridge? That means they must have put it in the gas last night.
Yeah, come on. Come on, man. I already did
No.
this part.
No.
How scary you acting, bro?
Sour cream is getting nasty. Everything is getting
I'll
nasty.
take it. I'm leaving. I'll take it and I'm leaving.
Fish
Sniper
food.
out.
Alright.
Sniper rifle.
If pickles get
The
nasty,
people can do it the longest.
Quick couple dubs. I did take
remember?
an L
If
trying to be
pickles
aggressive.
get nasty coming in,
You win some, you lose some. Oh my
I'm not
gosh.
really. That.
What's up? This is the aggressive game. This is the aggressive gameplay I wanted. Yeah? What's up?
What if Mike went in custody for
sniper.
being up the doctor because I won't give him his shit. Because I won't give him for free.
In core. First to 10 kills, I only got
What do you think
one.
their
I can
start
come in
back?
first on this one. I can come in first on this one, no problem.
I would be laughing.
Just let me get to where he is, take him out.
You love that. Give me my favorite one.
That was
Favorite thing I got.
Yep, give me
Yeah,
that.
what's it called? Yankee. That.
Comeback season, baby. Comeback season.
Squirt.
You love it.
Oh, he likes it. Yeah.
Who killed me? Okay. Okay, Winky. Okay,
Hey.
Winky.
Hey.
Good move. Can I come back and play some more, please? Like, bro.
Out of everything?
It's right.
And I got some corn.
What's up? Ooh, look.
I better give me like some cleaner skins. Ooh.
Look, guys.
Popping at me.
Okay.
Bro, what's up?
You see this?
Now we're gonna try to see if these pickles got.
Yeah, we gotta run this game.
Got
We
nasty.
gotta run this game. Why is my character trying to shoot?
We're gonna see if these pickles got
You gotta
nasty.
get an advantage. You gotta get an
It
advantage
smells
point. What
bad.
did you just say? You gotta get a advantage point.
Alright, guys, watch. I'm gonna shake it.
Everybody plays. This is the meta. Don't run
Make
out
it
on the
flat?
street.
No.
And everything is the same color. Oh, this is okay.
These pickles smell badly. Ew, you're disgusting.
I did that too.
I said I was gonna be aggressive. That's how I'm gonna play, bro.
We're gonna get a baby.
360 no scopes and all kinds of. Yeah, bro, I'm coming
Y'all
right
are
for you,
nasty.
bro,
Oh,
with the
green,
knife
green,
out.
pink, and pink.
With the
Yeah.
knife out. You never
Uh-oh.
experienced this in core, huh?
Put salt, put salt, put
Somebody
salt,
just
put
playing
salt.
aggressive.
Jodo,
like
don't
this,
open
right?
your head is gonna
You
bust.
catch me on a
Who?
roll, this is gonna be so embarrassing.
Jodo.
For real.
I'm gonna.
Look.
Now you wanna try it. Yeah?
They'll taste the same.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
Who else is here? What's up?
Unless you put the whole thing in there, I dare you.
Gonna...
I would drink this.
I'm gonna get one of those.
That a bug me? Yep, yes, show is. It
I'm
show
gonna get
is.
one of those right now. Put the whole thing in there.
I'm here.
Like a
I'm
test
here.
taste good.
Put that sniper back out. Do not let Winky get no more kills.
Mine is really bigger at St. John.
It's gonna spill. No.
You just gotta go to where the shooting is.
Now you guys gonna spill
Oh
open.
no! Okay,
Don't take
that
it.
was, who was that?
He
Lord
sucked at
Barrows.
words.
Lord Barrows. Okay, he ain't doing much. He ain't
Alright,
doing
open
much.
it.
Don't open it.
Why?
Open
Can
it.
I wake up, please?
If it busts, I'm gonna bust you.
Oh my gosh, the gameplay is there.
Crap.
I hope they have a new map.
I
'Cause I'm
can see.
definitely running this one back. That's the card. Move.
Look, guys.
Yep.
You did it too.
Somebody
Let's
behind
see.
me? No?
Taste,
Okay.
taste yours.
I gotta get up
Tell
there.
me if
I
it
gotta
tastes
get up
good.
there. I gotta get up there.
Does it taste good? Taste
I
regular?
did this one.
Nope. I do. Yeah, because they go once. But my sister is still
Look
eating.
at my body. Look at my body. This is me
I
spitting.
see.
Wake up.
Yeah. I feel like pickles.
You just gotta be like right here.
I'm about to reload
Oh
now.
my gosh! 4 more bodies. 4 more bodies. That's it.
Should we post this?
I needed to land.
Yeah, well,
the
we're gonna
shot.
post
That was
it.
my
So
moment.
they can see.
That was my moment. I'm gonna let bro just wiggle around. He deserves some
We're
rest after
supposed
that.
to
Poor
come on.
performance. I mean, Winky's not even trying to
That's
leave that
not-
spot wherever they are camping.
We're supposed to come
They
on.
gonna pay the price for it too once I win. Or Barrow's trying to make a. I can't climb through any freaking window. Okay, take the shot. Yep. Okay, got it.
Alright.
Oh my.
Alright.
So we're gonna
That
do
was the
one more
That was the one though. I just
thing.
had these sights on them.
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do now is
This thing.
wow. What do you wanna do now? Alright, let's see who could do the most sprays.
Welcome to
Let me get
Balloon
4.
Simulator. Pump up your balloons
I
to
won.
reach
You only did
your
one.
Welcome
I
to
won.
Balloon
Let's do it
Simulator.
again.
30 seconds.
Because you're cheating.
3,
Fill the
2,
balloons up and
1.
suck them here for coins. Burgess balloons
I won.
helium to jump.
I won.
Bigger balloons allow you to. Bro, I
I won.
take
I won
off
that.
like that, then hop into balloon
No.
simulator.
Comment down below who
We
won.
did that.
Comment down below who
We
won.
did sniper out here. I need a fire one to end things off with. A fire one. Titan attack could be kind of cool. This could be kind of cool.
Yo,
I'll watch
I have nothing else to eat.
It's a great show.
They still got enough to eat.
It was hype.
To be honest,
me
me neither.
out there. Oh, look at how they got me going right now.
Here.
Mmm.
Alright.
Let's
Let me
go.
taste yours.
Alright, cloudy taste your joy.
Follow the next step. Oh, this is crazy. Hi there. I see.
I don't even think I'm gonna eat all this.
I'm sorry, sir. Do you intend to go outside?
I'm just gonna eat
Yeah.
all of this.
You even know what's outside.
No more. We're eating
Bam.
healthy food,
Shut up, you moron. It isn't funny.
not candy.
Bro,
wanna
you
eat
just
healthy
to hide behind
food.
these guys because it's outside. Hundreds of millions have died. Wow, can I help? You should train yourself at the training camp. That should give you some more chances to survive. Read carefully the book in the library. You will find useful information.
That was
Bro, what?
just 7 minutes.
I already cleaned up.
So shift is the jetpack, but I have no clue how to control it,
We
bro.
gotta clean up.
Oh,
My
I
mom's
know.
gonna come.
I'm already level 3, and all I did was scoot around a couple times.
Bye.
These